Hey there, I'm Victoria. I'm calling from Extertis. You're on the Extertis booth, and this is justlamps.net. So we are suppliers of replacement projector lamps. So we have our OEM manufacturer bulbs, which are OEM branded. We also have a range which is called diamond lamps, which is original manufacturer bulbs that are endorsed by Philips, Osram, and Ushio. Both high brand, high quality, awesome lamps, basically. So only difference between our lamps that we supply is the slight difference on warranties. Our diamond lamp range come with a 24-month warranty, and our OEMs come with a 3-month warranty. They are very, very high quality. We've been supplying the AV industry and replacement projectors lamps for a long time, and we know exactly what we're doing. We have a great customer service. And for justlamps.net is basically where our customers can have their own online portal where they can order the lamps direct themselves. They have full control over searching for all the lamps that they need, and we can then service them through any of the other inquiries that they do. And our extertisaustralia.com website is where you can find out further information on all our projects on this booth.